Hi guys, this is early December and in Mumbai, and I'm going to talk about some of my decorative plants which look very beautiful in a basket. They have been growing well, look lush green, and so I'm going to talk about some of them. I'll start from this one. So this here is a hanging basket of Rohio, and it also has wandering Jew, both the purple variety and the green variety. This wandering Jew is very easy to grow. You just cut it below a node, take off the leaf, last leaf, put it in soil and it will root. Same about this Rohio. It is very easy to grow. Just cut it below a node and put it in soil and it grows very well. This is a hanging basket of Syngonium, pink Syngonium. It is a slow grower but looks nice with the color variegation. This is a hanging basket of Nephrolepis fern. It is quite a hardy fern and it can tolerate at least 2 to 4 hours of direct sun also. This is a hanging basket of bird nest fern. Again, this is a hanging basket of bird nest fern. This is a hanging basket of kangaroo paw fern. The rhizome is coming out of the basket and is giving leaves, fronds, and soon this basket will be lush green, full from all sides. This is purple heart and it is again very easy to grow. Just cut it below a node, take off the last leaf and put it in soil and it roots within 5 to 6 days and is very beautiful looking because of the color of its leaves and flowers. This is a hanging basket of Syngonium podophyllum and I have also some micans growing in it, and this basket, the contrast of the micans and the Syngonium is nice. This is a hanging basket of variegated wandering Jew or Tradescantia, with white and green colored leaves, again easy to grow and easy to care for. And this is a hanging basket of Peperomia scandens. The leaves are very thick and waxy and they just twirl round. This is a hanging basket of heartleaf philodendron. The new leaves are neon in color and very heart-shaped leaves and very nice to look at. And this is a hanging basket of Enjoy pothos. This is a cobra fern hanging basket, and this is a hanging basket of philodendron micas. It is a big trailing basket and the philodendron leaves again are heart shaped and they are very beautiful to look at because from the back they have copperish color. The new leaves are also brownish in color and it is easy to grow philodendron micans. You just have to pluck below the node and put it in water. So first you water propagate them. When the roots come out, then you put them in soil. Because if you put them in, I have tried this, and if you put them in soil directly, the branch just dries off and takes very long to grow. So water propagation and then soil propagation is the easier way to propagate this. This is a hanging basket of Philodendron Brazil. This has a very typical marking on its leaves, and this is again a long trailing branch coming off the basket and it looks quite beautiful to look at, magnificent. This is a hanging basket of tangled heart. I had put 2-3 twigs just 1 month back and it has grown up so well. It gives a nice aroma when few branches are accidentally broken and the shape of the leaf is heart shaped. So lush green basket. This is a basket of Caricia fragrans or the chain plant or the basket plant. It gives pups like these and every node has roots. So if you just break off below the node and put it in a basket, see I have done this, and it will again grow up into a full plant. This is the mother plant which has given so many pups. So this is the basket plant. This again is a basket of tangled heart, Enjoy pothos. The Enjoy pothos is a very slow grower It has every feature like money plant or the general pothos, but quite a slow one. This is the golden pothos or the money plant hanging basket. This is coral vine. It gives red flowers and the leaves also are like needles. Beautiful. I have put it with golden pothos again. This is a hanging basket of jade. This is quite an old hanging basket. Nice looking one. This is a hanging basket of a plant Metallica or the Swedish ivy. The leaves are purple in color on the underside and it has metallic texture on the outside, and a full hanging basket looks wonderful. This is a hanging basket of purple heart with Peperomia scandens. And some of these baskets have been with me. This is a spider plant hanging basket, a Portulaca hanging basket which gives many flowers. So these baskets have been with me for quite a long time, and some are new, but at this time they look lush and green and beautiful. So I am sharing them with you. Thank you.